Good morning, students. Today I am going to explaining the problems on Cauchy's integral formula and generalized Cauchy's integral formula. In last class we already discussed the Cauchy's integral theorem, statement of integral theorem and their problems, integral formula and their problems, generalized integral formula, their problems. Today I am going to explain the remaining problems on integral formula and generalized integral formula. What is the integral theorem? Integral theorem is integral over C f of z dz equal to integral over C f of z dz is equal to 0. This is the statement of Cauchy's integral theorem. Here f of z is analytic everywhere within and on C except z equal to A. This z equal to A lies outside C. Then integral over C f of z dz equal to 0. And what about the Cauchy's integral formula? Here integral over C f of z by z minus A f of z by z minus A dz equal to 2 pi I into f of A. 2 pi I into f of A. Here f of z is analytic everywhere within and on C except at z equal to A. This z equal to A lies inside C. Then integral over C f of z by z minus A dz equal to 2 pi into minus 3. So value is here 9 of z is analytic within and on C except at z equal to A.
Just coming
z
to the
equal to
problem,
A
find
lies
f of 2
outside
and f
C.
of 3.
Then integral over C
f of z
dz equal to
integral
0.
over C.
Here f of z is
square
analytic
minus z
everywhere
minus 2 by
except at z
z
equal to
minus
A.
A dz.
Z equal to A lies
circle
inside
z
C.
equal
Then
to 2
integral
pi.
over
This
C
is
f
another
of z by
model.
z minus
Using
A
Cauchy's
is equal
integral
to
theorem and
2 pi
integral
into
formula.
previous
F of
problems
Then
direct
coming
to
to
the
the
generalized Cauchy's integral
Here,
formula.
I have to calculate
Here
f of z is
f of
analytic
z
everywhere.
function value, not within and on C. Function value using
For
integral
example,
theorem and
consider the
integral
curve C.
formula.
This is the curve C.
That is the difference between
Here
here f of z is
previous
analytic
model,
everywhere
model, we have
except
to
at z
calculate
equal to
the
A. And this z
integration
equal to A
value using
repeated
integral theorem,
twice,
integral
thrice
formula.
like
Then
that. Again
then
using integral theorem and integral formula.
Again
Calculate
apply
the generalized
values.
Cauchy's integral formula.
So find f of
This is
2
nothing but
and
integral
f of
over
3,
C
f of
f
A
of
is
z
equal to
by
this one.
z
What
minus
is
A.
f of A here?
Given
F of
that
z
f
by
of A is
z
equal to
minus
A whole power n plus
plus
1
1.
integral
Z
over
is
C
equal to
2z 2 pi I by minus z factorial 2 by into z minus A dz. F of z is analytic everywhere
Even f of
except
A.
at z equal
Here,
to A.
what is the
and z
circle?
equal to A
This
repeated
is C nothing but
lies.
here C
Repeated
is
lies inside C.
mod
Then
z equal
integral
to
over C f of z
2.5.
by z minus A
Whole
whole power
power
n plus 1
to
dz equal to 2 pi I by n factorial.
Mod z equal to
f power n
2.5
of A.
means
n is equal to
2
1
over
gives
x square plus
integral
y
over
square
C is equal
f
to
of z
2.5
by so x
z
square
minus
plus y
A
square is
whole
equal to
square
2.5
z minus A whole square
is a circle
is equal
with
to
center 0 0
pi
radius
I.
2.5 units.
Two
So
f
draw the
dash.
circle. This is the circle.
n equal to 3
Center at
we
0
get
0
integral over C
radius
f
2.5
of z
so
by
it is 2.5
z minus A
is 2.5 into
whole
I.
cube.
It is
dz
minus
is equal to
2.5
2 pi I by
and it is 2
minus
factorial
2 pi I by 2
2.5
factorial.
This is the given
f
curve.
power n of
The f double
what
dash
is
of
A?
Here what is f of A?
n
Integral
equal to
over
3
C
n
2
equal
z
to
square
2
minus
z
z
minus 2
But
by z
generalize
minus
it
A
Cauchy's
dz.
integral formula.
What is
this
C?
one.
Mod z
Integral
equal to
over
2.5.
C
Mod z
minus
means 2 over x square plus y square is 2 pi x squaring on both sides.
We get x square plus y square.
Then
equal
coming to the
2.5
problems
square.
on is a circle
Cauchy's
with the center
generalized
0
integral
0
formula.
radius
Evaluate
2.5 units.
integral over
So
C
it is
e power
z
z
by
by
z
c
cube plus
Here first
z
calculate
power 4
f
by
of
z plus
2.
I
F
whole
of 2
square
is
is where C is
integral over
mod
C
z equal to
2z square
using
Cauchy's
minus
integral
z
formula.
minus 2
It's a very
by
important problem.
z minus
Here we have two
dz.
types of we have two integrations.
One is integral
Here,
over C e power z by
this,
z cube.
here this value
Second
integral
one is
over f of z by
z
power
minus
4
z
by
plus
z
I
whole square
integral
dz.
over C
So separate
pi
f
of
of
z
z
1
by
by 1 z minus
along the
pi
curve
of
C
z by
mod
z equal z minus A dz.
Here
Here
mod
A
z
equal to
equal to
lies inside C.
Given circle
lies
is mod z
clearly
equal to
inside
inside
circle.
circle. So by Cauchy's
Center
integral
at
formula
0
is
0
equal
and
to
radius
2
2
pi
units.
I into
Radius
2 pi I
units. That is
into
the given curve C.
pi of
given
E.
curve
2 pi
C.
into pi of E. That equal to 2
Circle.
pi I into pi of A means
Radius 0 0.
what is A? 2. A is
radius
2.
center is
Pi
0
of
0 radius
Pi of
2
what is pi of z? Pi of z
plus
is
2 minus
2z square minus
y
z minus 2.
and minus
So that is
2 pi.
equal to 2 pi I
This is the
into
given
pi of
curve
2
C.
means
Curve C
2
is a
into
circle, center at 0, 0, and
minus
radius 2
minus
units.
2.
Then consider
8
first
minus
one.
4 is 4.
Integral
So answer
over
is
C
8 pi.
e power z by
8 pi.
z cube.
Then
E
coming
power
to
z
the
by
next problem.
z cube dz. This is nothing but integral over C e power z by z minus
F of 3.
0.
What is
whole
f of
cube.
3?
Z
F of
cube
3
can write
nothing
as
but
z minus 0 whole cube.
this function is
Here f of this
what is f
integrand
of
is
here?
analytic
F of A is
everywhere
equal to
except at z equal to
integral over
0.
C
Except at
2z
z equal
square
to 0
and
minus
z equal to
minus
0
2
lies
by
inside the
curve C. Z
the
minus
curve C is a
dz.
circle. So what is
Center
f
at
of
0,
3?
0 and
F of
radius
3 is
2
equal
units.
to. So the total
Integral
circle
over
covers
C
up to 2 units.
2z square
So z equal to 0
minus
lies
z minus
inside
2
C.
by
And this is repeated
Z
twice.
minus 3.
So this is equal
dz.
to
Integral over C
single point is
f of z
by
equal to 3. Z
this
minus
single
a
point
whole
lies
cube
outside
dz.
C.
Outside C.
By
Since
generalized
what
Cartesian
is
integral
C?
formula,
This
it
is
is
equal
equal
to with the center 0,
It is
0
equal to
radius
2.5 up
2.5
to 2.5 only. But this is 3
It is
lies
equal to
outside C. So
2
by
pi
Cauchy's
into
integral theorem, f of 3 is equal to
by
2
integral over
factorial
C into
f
pi
pi
of
of
z.
z. This is total value 2 pi
of
by
z.
2 factorial means
dz
pi i
equal to 0.
f double dash
this
a
case
means
in
f of 2
d
case.
square by
What is pi
dz
of z?
square
This is
of
the value
f
of pi.
of
What
z.
about f of
This is the
z?
value of
E
pi
power
of
z.
z.
Since
At z
this
is
2
equal to
lies
0.
inside C.
Z
Here
equal
this
to
3
0.
lies
Outside
outside
C.
derivatives
This is
of
the
e
total
power z
value
is
of pi of
e
z.
power
This is
z.
the total value
So
of
it is
pi.
equal to
This is the
pi
difference
i
between
in Cauchy's
power z
integral
and
formula
z
and
equal
Cauchy's
to
integral
0.
theorem. In Cauchy's
That is
integral
equal to
theorem,
pi a
this single
into 1.
point lies
So answer is pi.
outside C. So this is the total
Once
pi
again,
object.
consider
Here
integral
single point
e
is
power
2
z
lies
by
inside C.
z
So
cube
only
dz.
numerator value is the
That is e
pi
power z by
object.
z minus
So
0
f
whole
of
cube.
2 is 2 pi
This
into pi
integrand
of
is
is
analytic
analytic
everywhere
that is
except
equal
at
to 8
z
pi.
equal to
Here f
0.
of 3
Z
that is
equal to
3
0
lies
inside
outside
C.
C.
So
So
by
integration
Cauchy's
over
integral
C
formula,
2z square minus
integral
z
over
minus
C
2
f
by
of
z
z by
minus
z
3
minus
dz
equal to n
0.
plus 1
Since
dz
this
is
lies
2 pi i by
outside.
n factorial into f power n of a. This is the generalized Cauchy's integral
Then coming to
formula.
next point, evaluate integral over z
by
by
z
minus
cube.
sin 3z
Can
by
write z
2
minus
pi by 2
factor
factor
n
n
is
is
to
2
f double
dz.
dash of a
This is the
is
integral.
0.
What you see here,
Z
mod
z
z equal
minus
to
0 whole cube.
mod z
F
equal
double
to
dash
2
of
means
zero value means
this
2
circle
times
derivative
center
of
0
0
0
0
and z equal to
radius
0.
2 units. Here
So first
f
draw
of
the
z is
circle.
e power z,
First
it is
derivative is e power z, second
2
derivative
units,
also e power z.
2i and finally put z
Minus
equal to
2,
0 we get pi a.
minus 2i.
Then coming to the next problem, consider integral over C.
Consider integral over C z power 4 by z plus I whole square. Z plus I whole square. This is analytic everywhere except at z equal to minus I and repeat it twice. And what is the curve C? Curve C is a circle, center at 0 0 and radius 2 units. So 2y and here minus 2, here minus 2y. That is the given curve C. And what are the single points? Minus I. It lies inside C and repeat it twice. So integral over C z power 4 by z minus of minus I whole square is equal to z plus I whole square can be written as z minus of minus I whole square is can be written as into dz can be written as integral over C f of z by z minus a whole square dz. That is equal to, by generalized Cauchy's integral formula, it is equal to 2 pi I by 1 factorial into f double dash a, f dash a, that is equal to 2 pi I into f dash means d by dz of f of z is numerator value z power 4. This is f of z, z power 4. Z power 4 derivative 2 pi I into derivative of z power 4, 4z cube and at z equal to minus I. Z equal to minus I. That is equal to 2 pi I into 4 into minus I whole cube. That is equal to 2 pi I into I square means minus I square means minus 1. So it is 4 into minus I into 1. That is equal to total value I into I square minus. So it is equal to minus 8 pi. This is equal to minus 8 pi. So integral over C z power 4 by z plus I whole square dz. Here the integrand has singularity at z equal to minus I. This z equal to minus I lies inside C mod z equal to 2. Mod z equal to 2 is a circle with the center 0, 0 and radius 2 units. So by Cauchy's integral formula, integral over C f of z by z minus a whole power n plus 1 dz is 2 pi I by n factorial f power n of a. This is nothing but the formula, generalized Cauchy's integral formula. So integral over C z power 4 by z plus a whole square. This z plus I whole square can be written as z minus of minus I whole square equal 2 pi I by 1 factorial f dash of a value minus I. So 2 pi into d by dz of z power 4. This is the value of f of z by z minus a whole power n plus 1. So z power 4 by z plus a whole square. Z plus I whole square nothing but z minus of minus a whole square dz. So this is equal to 2 pi I by 1 factorial f dash of minus 1. What is f of z? Z power 4. So d by dz of z power 4 at z equal to minus I. What about derivative of z power 4? 4z cube. Derivative of z power 4 is 4z cube. Here z is minus I, that is equal to minus 8 pi. Therefore, total integration value, integral over C, this is the value of second integration. So what is the total integration value for the given problem? Integral over C e power z by z cube plus z power 4 by z plus a whole square dz equal to pi I minus 8 pi. Pi I is the first integration value, minus 8 pi is the second integration value. Total value pi into I minus 8. That is the total integration value. Using generalized Cauchy's integral formula. In first one, singular point is 0 in e power z by z cube. Singular point is 0. Repeated thrice lies inside C. In second integration, the singular point is z equal to minus I. That is also lies inside C, but repeated twice. So here applying generalized integral formula of the form f of z by z minus a whole cube dz. Here in second integration we can apply the generalized Cauchy's integral formula of the form integral over C f of z by z minus a whole square dz. Then the total integration value pi I minus 8 pi. What is the curve C here? Mod z equal to 2. It is a circle with the center 0, 0 and radius 2 units. So in any problem, either in integral theorem or in integral formula or generalized Cauchy's integral formula, first identify the curve C, then explain the curve C. For example, here the curve C is mod z equal to 2. It is a circle with the center 0, 0 and radius 2 units. That is the first point, first step. Then coming to the next step, what is the integrand? For example, here integrand is z power 4 by z plus a whole square. Then identify the singular points. In any problem, the singular points are obtained by equating the denominator to 0. What is the denominator here? Z plus I whole square equal to 0. That is z plus I equal to 0. Z equal to minus I. Here square is there, so repeated twice. Cube is there, repeated thrice. No square, no power, then not repeated, only one time. So what are the singular points here? Z equal to minus I, repeated twice. So that is the second step. What about third step? Identify which points are lies inside C, which points are lies outside C. Here Z equal to minus I is lies inside C. Since your circle is up to 2 units on x-axis and y-axis. On x-axis 2 units means it is 2. On y-axis it is 2 means 2i minus 2i. 2 minus 2, 2i minus 2i. That is the restrictions of the circle. So clearly minus I lies inside C. So apply either integral formula or generalized Cauchy's integral formula. Integral formula is applicable whenever the singular point is repeated only one time. Repeated more than one time, we can apply generalized Cauchy's integral formula. That's it.
Then coming to the next problem. Evaluate integral over c e power 3z by z plus 1 whole cube dz, where c is mod z equal to 3. So what is c here? C nothing but mod z equal to 3. Mod z equal to 3 means root over x square plus y square equal to 3. Root over x square plus y square equal to 3. That is the meaning of this one. That implies x square plus y square is equal to 9 or 3 square. Is a circle with the center 0 0 and radius 3 units. So first draw the circle. This is the circle, center at 0 0 and radius 3 units. 3 means on x axis 3, on y axis 3i. This is, and here minus 3 and here minus 3i, and center 0 0. That is the first step. First step, identify the curve C. Then draw the rough sketch of the curve C. Next, what is the integrand here? Integrand is e power 3z by z plus 1 whole cube. That is the integrand. This is first step. Then what about next step? Identify the integrand. What is integrand? E power 3z by z plus 1 whole cube. This integrand is analytic every way except z equal to 1. So equate the denominator to 0. Z plus 1 whole power 4 is equal to 0. Then z plus 1 is equal to 0. Then z is equal to minus 1. So this is the single point of the integrand. What is integrand? E power 3z by z plus 1 whole power 4. This integrand is defined everywhere except z equal to minus 1. For this one, equate z plus 1 whole power 4 to 0. That means z plus 1 equal to 0. Implies z equal to minus 1. Next, third step. This z equal to minus 1 lies inside the curve. This is the minus 1. Your circle up to 3, minus 3, 3i, minus 3i. These are the boundaries of the circle. So clearly z equal to minus 1 lies inside C. Lies inside C. And next, repeated 4 times. This finger point repeated 4 times according to the power of the denominator. Repeated 4 times. So we can apply generalized Cauchy's integral formula. Cauchy's integral formula. What once again? First draw the circle, that is C mod z equal to 3. Mod z means root over x square plus y square equal to 3. Then x square plus y square equal to 3 square. Is a circle with the center 0 0 and radius 3 units. Draw the rough sketch of the circle. Then equate the denominator to 0 in integrand. We get the singular points. Then next, identify the singular point. How many points are inside C and how many points are lies outside C? Here only one singular point, but repeated 4 times. This is clearly inside C, since our boundaries of the circular 3, minus 3, 3i, minus 3i. So z equal to minus 1 lies on x-axis. So then apply the generalized Cauchy's integral formula. What is the generalized Cauchy's integral formula? What is the generalized Cauchy's integral formula? For this one, here integral over C f of z by z minus a whole power n plus 1 dz is equal to, by Cauchy's integral formula, it is equal to 2 pi I by n factorial into f power n of a. This is the generalized Cauchy's integral formula. Here what is the total integration value? Integral over C e power 3z by z plus 1 whole power 4 into dz is nothing but, so 4 is nothing but n plus 1. So what is n? 3. So it is equal to 2 pi I by 3 factorial, since n is 3, into f triple dash of a, that is equal to 2 pi I by 6 6. F triple dash of A. F triple dash of means dq by dz cube of e power 3z at z equal to a. What is a here? Minus 1. At z equal to minus 1. Once again, this is here I can apply generalized Cauchy's integral formula, that is integral over f of z by z minus a whole power n plus 1 dz, that equal to 2 pi I by n factorial f power n of a. That is e power 3z by z plus 1 whole power 4 dz is integral over c e power 3z by z plus 1 whole power 3 plus 1, that is n is equal to 3. Then 2 pi I by 3 factor f triple dash of minus 1. F triple dash of minus 1 means 3 times derivative of, so that is equal to final value 2 pi I by 6 into dq by dz cube of e power 3z at z equal to minus 1. That equal to pi I by 3 into 3 times derivatives of e power z. So first time d square by dz square of e power 3z derivative, first time derivative 3 into e power 3z, that equal to pi I by 3 into second time derivative d by dz into 9 into e power 3z, 9 into e power 3z. Third time derivative is pi I by 3 into 27 into e power 3z at z equal to minus 1. So that equal to pi I by 3 into 27 into e power minus 3. So its final value 9 pi I into e power minus 3. So this is equal to 9 pi I by e cube. That is the value of the integrand. 9 pi I by e power 3. 2 pi I by 6. 2 pi I by 3 factorial 6. d cube by dz cube of e power 3z at z equal to minus 1. E power 3z derivative. The first time is 3 into e power 3z. So d cube by dz cube becomes d square by dz square. Again derivative. So d square by dz square becomes d by dz. 3 e power 3z becomes 9 into e power 3z. Since e power 3z derivative 3 into e power 3z. Next. Finally, last and third time derivative d by dz becomes 1. If 9 into e power 3z becomes 27 into e power 3z. Since e power 3z derivative 3 into e power 3z, then it is 27 into e power 3z and z equal to minus 1. That is 27 into e power integral over c 2z square minus z minus 2 by z minus a dz, where c is the circle mod z equal to 2 pi. This is another model using Cauchy's integral theorem and integral formula. Previous problems direct evaluation. Here you have to calculate f of 2 and f of 3. Calculate function value, not integration value. Function value using integral theorem and integral formula. That is the difference between previous model and this one. In previous model, we have to calculate the integration value using integral theorem, integral formula. Here again using integral theorem and integral formula, calculate the function values. So find f of 2 and f of 3 if f of a is equal to this one. What is f of a here? Given that f of a is equal to integral over c 2z square minus z minus 2 by z minus a dz. This is the given f of a. Here what is the circle? This is c nothing but here c is mod z equal to 2.5. Mod z equal to 2.5. Mod z equal to 2.5 means root over x square plus y square is equal to 2.5. So x square plus y square is equal to 2.5 whole square. Is a circle with the center 0, 0 and radius 2.5 units. So draw the circle. This is the circle. Center at 0, 0 and radius 2.5. So it is 2.5. It is 2.5 into I. It is minus 2.5 and it is minus 2.5 I. This is the given curve. What is A? here what is f of a? Integral over c 2z square minus z minus 2 by z minus a dz. What is c? Mod z equal to 2.5. Mod z means root over x square plus y square equal to 2.5. Squaring on both sides, we get x square plus y square equal to 2.5 whole square. Is a circle with the center 0, 0 and radius 2.5 units. So it is the given curve C. Here first calculate f of 2. F of 2 is integral over c 2z square minus z minus 2 by z minus 2 dz. Z minus 2 dz. Here this value, this integral over f of z by z minus like integral over c pi of z by z minus c. Pi of z by z minus a dz. Here a clearly lies inside c. A lies clearly inside c. So by Cauchy's integral formula, it is equal to 2 pi I into pi of e. 2 pi into pi of e. That equal to 2 pi I into pi of a means, what is a? 2. A is 2. Pi of 2. Pi of 2. What is pi of z? Pi of z is 2z square minus z minus 2. So that is equal to 2 pi I into pi of 2 means 2 into 4 minus 2 minus 2. 8 minus 4 is 4. So answer is 8 pi a. 8 pi a. Then coming to the next problem. F of 3. What is f of 3? F of 3 nothing but here f of, what is f of a here? F of a is equal to integral over c 2z square minus z minus 2 by z minus e dz. So what is f of 3? F of 3 is equal to integral over c 2z square minus z minus 2 by z minus 3 dz. Here singular point is z equal to 3. This singular point lies outside C. Outside C. Since what is C? Is a circle with the center 0, 0, radius 2.5 up to 2.5 only. But this 3 lies outside C. So by Cauchy's integral theorem, f of 3 is equal to integral over c f pi of z. This is total value pi of z. Pi of z dz equal to 0. But in previous case, in f of 2 case, what is pi of z? This is the value of pi of z. This is the value of pi of z. Since this 2 lies inside c. Here this 3 lies outside c. So this is the total value of pi of z. This is the total value of pi. See the difference between Cauchy's integral formula and Cauchy's integral theorem. In Cauchy's integral theorem, this singular point lies outside C. So this is the total pi of z. Here the singular point is 2 lies inside C. So only numerator value is the pi of z. So f of 2 is 2 pi into pi of a. A is 2. That is equal to 8 pi a. Here f of 3. This 3 lies outside C. So integration over C. 2z square minus z minus 2 by z minus 3 dz equal to 0. Since these 3 lies outside C. Then coming to the next point, evaluate integral over c z cube minus sin 3z by z minus pi by 2 whole cube dz. This is the integrand. What you see here, mod z equal to 2. Mod z equal to 2 means it is a circle with the center 0, 0 and radius 2 units. So first draw the circle. It is 2 units, 2i minus 2 minus 2i. Circle with the center 0, 0 and radius 2 units. X square plus y square equal to 4. Center at 0, 0 and radius 2 units. It is 4 nothing but 2 square. So 2 units, up to 2 units on x-axis, minus 2 on negative x-axis, 2i and minus 2i. Minus 2i. This is the value of minus 2i. Here what is the integrand? F of z integrand is here, you have to evaluate z cube minus sin 3z by z minus pi by 2 whole cube. So this integrand has only one single point, that is pi by 2. This pi by 2 means 3.14. Pi by 2 means pi means 3.14. By 2 means 1.15. That is less than 2. What is the 2 radius of the circle? So clearly z equal pi by 2 lies inside the circle mod z equal to 2. Once again, here the integrand is defined everywhere except at z equal to pi by 2. Pi by 2 means nearly 1.5 something. So this pi by 2 lies inside C. See what is C? Mod z equal to 2. C is equal to. So here single point is clearly z equal to pi by 2 lies inside C. Lies inside C. Pi by 2 means clearly 1.5 something. So this pi by 2 lies inside the circle C. So what is the singular point? Pi by 2. So this integration value, so apply, and this pi by 2 repeated thrice. So we can apply generalized Cauchy's integral formula. What is the Cauchy's integral formula? Integral over C f of z by z minus a whole power n plus 1. F of z by z minus a whole power n plus 1 dz is equal to 2 pi I by n factorial into f power n of a. This is the generalized Cauchy's integral formula. Once again, see the first step. First one, mod z equal to 2. In any problem, first identify the curve C. Mod z equal to 2 is a circle with the center 0, 0, radius 2 units. What is the integrand? Z cube minus sin 3z by z minus pi by 2 whole cube. This is everywhere analytic except at z equal to pi by 2. But it is pi by 2 lies inside C. This pi by 2 value less than 2. Nearly 1.5 something. So this pi by 2 lies inside C. So we can apply generalized Cauchy's integral formula since this pi by 2 repeated thrice. Integral over f of z by z minus a whole power n plus 1 dz is 2 pi I by n factorial into f power n of a. So integral over C z cube minus sin 3z by z minus pi by 2 whole cube is equal to whole cube dz is equal to 2 pi I by whole cube. Cube means n plus 1 value 3, n value 2. So 2 factorial into f double dash of a by generalized Cauchy's integral formula. So that is equal to pi I into f double dash means d square by dz square of z cube minus sin 3z at z equal to a. What is the value of a? Pi by 2. A value pi by 2. So that is equal to pi I into d by dz of first and derivative. Z cube is 3z square. Sin 3z is 3 cos 3z. 3 cos 3z at z equal to pi by 2. Again, pi I into second and derivative, pi I into 6z, derivative of cos 3z, minus 3 sin 3z. So minus plus 9 sin 3z at z equal to pi by 2. At z equal to pi by 2. So that is equal to pi I into 6 into pi by 2 plus 9 into sin 3 pi by 2. 9 3 pi by 2. So that equal to pi I into 6 pi by 2, that is 3 pi. Sin 3 pi by 2 value minus 1, so it is 3 pi minus 9. Pi I into 3 pi minus 9, that is the value of the total integration value. Integral over C z cube minus sin 3z by z minus pi by 2 whole cube. Here evaluate integral over C z by z plus I into 9 minus z square dz, where C is mod z equal to 2. So first one, C, what is the curve C? Mod z equal to 2. Is a circle, center at 0, 0, center at 0, 0 and radius 2 units. Radius 2 units. So draw the circle. This is the circle. Center 0, 0, radius 2 units. 2, 2i, minus 2, minus 2i. It is 0, comma 0. That is the first step. Here, the integrand means this value z by z plus I into 9 minus z square. The integrand has two singularities. Singularity means a point at which the function is undefined. Z equal to minus I, and z equal to z square equal to 9 and z equal to plus or minus 3. 9 minus z square equal to 0, then 9 equal to z square, so z equal to plus or minus 3. These singular points are obtained by equating z plus I is equal to 0 and 9 minus z square equal to 0. That implies z square equal to 9 and z equal to plus or minus 3. So these are the singular points. So what is the circle here? Mod z equal to 2 is a circle, center 0, 0 and radius 2 units. Here among the singular points, minus I lies inside C. This is the value of minus I. And plus or minus 3 lies outside C. Only here we have three singular, not two, three singular points. 3. One is I, minus I, second one is 3, third one is minus 3. So among the singular points, only minus I lies inside C, plus or minus 3 lies outside C. So here z equal to minus I lies inside C. Plus or minus 3 lies outside C. Since our circle up to 2 units only, So z equal to plus or minus 3 lies outside C. Therefore, integral over C z by z plus I into 9 minus z square dz can be written as integral over C z by 9 minus z square by z plus I dz. Reason is plus or minus 3 lies outside C. These plus or minus 3 are obtained from 9 minus z square. So convert 9 minus z square into numerator, remaining z plus I in denominator. Since from this one z equal to minus I lies inside C. So z by 9 minus z square by z plus I dz. This is of the form integral over C f of z by z minus C. F of z by z minus. So what is A? Z plus I, nothing but z plus I, nothing but z minus. So A is minus I. So this is equal to 2 pi I into f of A by Cauchy's integral formula. That equal to 2 pi I into what is f of A? F of minus I. That equal to 2 pi I into f of minus 1 means z by 9 minus z square at z equal to minus I. That equal to 2 pi I into I minus I by 9 minus I whole square. So that equal to 2 pi I into minus I into I square minus into minus plus. So 2 pi by 9 plus 1. I square is minus 1, minus minus plus 1. So 2 pi I by 10, 2 pi I by 10, that equal to pi by 5. That is the value of total integration. Integral over C z by z plus I 9 minus z square dz, where C is mod z equal to 2. Once again, here mod z equal to 2 is a circle center at 0, 0, radius 2 units. This is the given curve. What is the integrand? Z by z plus I into 9 minus z square. This integrand has 3 singular points, minus I plus or minus 3. Both are obtained from denominator equal to 0. Here among the singular points, minus I only lies inside C, plus or minus 3 lies outside C. This is plus 3 and it is minus 3. Both are lies outside 3, outside the circle. So integral over C z by z plus I 9 minus z square dz is integral over C z by 9 minus z square by z plus I. The reason is the singular point z equal to plus or minus 3 lies outside C. This is of the form integral over C f of z by z minus a dz, that equal 2 pi into f of a by Cauchy's integral formula, 2 pi into f of minus I, a value minus I, 2 pi into z by 9 minus z square, z equal to minus I, that equal 2 pi into minus I by 9 minus of minus I whole square. Replace z by a with z by minus I, that is equal to pi by 5. Then coming to the next problem, evaluate integral over C 2z plus 1 by z square plus z dz, where C is mod z equal to 1 by 2. Here what is the curve C? Mod z equal to 1 by 2. Is a circle with center 0, 0 and radius 1 by 2 units. Radius is 1 by 2, half 0.5. This is a circle, center 0, 0 and radius 0.5. Here 0.5 I, here minus 0.5, here minus 0.5 I. That is the curve C. Mod z equal 1 by 2 means root over x square plus y square equal 1 by 2. On squaring on both sides, x square plus y square whole square equal to 1 by 2. That is the given curve C. C is mod z equal 1 by 2, or x square plus y square is 1 by 2 whole square. Then is a circle with the center 0, 0 and radius 0.5. And what is the integrand here? 2z plus 1 by z square plus z. Here the singular points are obtained by equating the denominator to 0. So z square plus z equal to 0. Then z into z plus 1 is equal to 0 by taking the common value of z. Then the points are z equal to 0 and z equal to minus 1. First singular point is z equal to 0, second singular point is z equal to minus 1. Here the singular points are obtained for the integrand by equating the denominator to 0, z square plus z equal to 0, that is z into z plus I equal to 0. Then z equal to 0 and z equal to minus 1. Among the two singular points, only 0 lies inside C, minus 1. This is, your circle is up to 0.5. So minus 1 is outside C. Outside C. So only z equal to 0 lies inside C. So z equal to 0 lies inside C. Lies inside C. And z equal to minus 1 lies outside C. Outside C. Z equal to 0 lies inside C. Z equal to minus 1 lies outside C. Therefore, integral over C 2z plus 1 by z square plus z dz can be written as integral over C 2z plus 1 by z into z plus 1 dz by rewriting the denominator value. Again it can be written as integral over C 2z plus 1 by z plus 1 by z. This z can be written as z minus 0 dz. The reason is, here we have two singular points, one is 0, another one is minus 1. This 0 lies inside C. So this keep in denominator and minus 1 lies outside C. So keep that value in numerator. 2z plus 1 by z plus 1 dz by z minus 0. This is of the form integral over C f of z by z minus a. What is a? 0. So this is equal by Cauchy's integral formula 2 pi I into f of a. 2 pi into f of a by Cauchy's integral formula. 2 pi I into what is f of a? F of 0. Since this is z minus 0. What is the factorial formula? Z minus a. So a is 0. That equal to 2 pi I into 2 pi. What about f of z? 2z plus 1 by z plus 1 and at z equal to 0. Z equal to 0. So that is equal to 2 pi I into 0 plus 1 by 0 plus 1. Since z by 0, we get 2 pi. That is the integration of 2z plus 1 by z square plus dz along the circle mod z equal 1 by 2, that is equal to 2 pi. Once again, here the curve is mod z equal 1 by 2 is a circle with the center 0 0, radius 0.5 units. Singular points are obtained by equate denominator to 0, z square plus z equal to 0. So 0 and minus 1 are the singular points. Here 0 lies inside C and minus 1 lies outside C. So 2z plus 1 by z square plus z dz can be written as integral over C 2z plus 1 by z into z plus 1. Again, it can be written as integral over C 2z plus 1 by z plus 1 by z. Z can be written as z minus 0. This is of the form f of z by integral over C f of z by z minus a dz. So what is a? 0. What about f of z? 2z plus 1 by z plus 1. It is equal to 2 pi into f of a. 2 pi into f of 0. That is equal to 2 pi into 2z plus 1 by z plus 1 at z equal to 0. It is 2 pi into 0 plus 1 by 0 plus 1, that is equal to 2 pi. That is the total integration value. And coming to the total summary of this class. What is summary of this class? Here we discuss the problems on integral theorem, integral formula and generalized Cauchy's integral formula. Applications of integral theorem, integral formula. So we have discussed the three applications. One is applications of Cauchy's integral theorem. And next one, integral formula, Cauchy's integral formula. Third one is generalized Cauchy's integral formula. Here in Cauchy's integral theorem, the integration value integral over C f of z dz equal to 0. And in here, integral over C f of z by z minus a dz equal to 2 pi I into f of p. In generalized Cauchy's integral formula, integral over C f of z by z minus a whole power n plus 1 dz is equal to 2 pi I by n factorial f power n of a. That's it. Thank you.